Hey, what's up guys? Big B Stats here, bringing you another Adobe After Effects CS4 tutorial on how to make 3D spinning text. So I'm going to show you what I created right now, and this is what I'll be teaching you how to do. So let's see what we have. So we have that spinning 3D text right now. So let's get right into the tutorial. So right now you want to go to File, New Project. Now you go to create a new composition. My preset is HDV, HDTV, resolution half, duration 10. You can put your settings however you may like. Now we're gonna create a new text right now, and I'm just gonna type in 360 trick spot. And you also want to even this up a little bit in the center, or however you may want it. You can also put this as a spinning logo in the bottom of your video. I'll show you how to do that as well later on in the future. So now you want to create a new layer, a new solid, and you want to have the color white. And now you're just going to drag the solid under your text and cut off the visible for your first text. So you want to go down here and click the eyeball to the left. Alright, now you want to go to Effect and make sure you have your white solid selected, and go to Simulation, Shatter. Now you want to go to View, put it on Rendered, and now you want to go to Shape down here, put this on Custom, and go to Custom Shatter Map and pick your first text. So now you'll be able to see it right now. So this is what we have is 3D. We have that. So now you want to go down here to Force 1, cut that on 0, go to Force 2, cut that on 0. Now you want to go down till you see Physics, and just put the gravity on 0. So now, as you can see, it doesn't move at all, and your text is 3D. So we're just going to come up here and put the extrusion depth on, just move it up a little bit to about 41, 42. I put mine on 41, 45. So now you want to go down here to camera position, and you want to move a little bit on the timeline and go to your Y rotation and move it up a little bit so it's like that, and as you can see it's 3D, and click the stopwatch and now move a little bit more forward to about 4 seconds and just keep moving it around, and it's easy as that. So let's play this back and see what it looks like. I press the space bar, let this load up, and that's pretty cool. So, and there you have it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, video requests, feel free to message me. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And until the next video, I'm out.